Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your account on Travelocity. So these are the steps that you can take to delete your account on Travelocity. The first thing you need to do is to head over to the Travelocity website. And how do you do that? Open any browser of your choice. In the search bar, write travelocity.com, and that's going to walk you into the Travelocity official website. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using an existing account credential. Once you logged in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Travelocity. So now that we're here, head over to the top right corner of the screen. We have a couple of tabs including list your property, support trips, and your profile name. Now click on your profile name at the top right corner, and that provides you with a drop-down menu that has my account and sign out. Now click on my account, and that's going to take you into this window. We have two categories. One includes my travel details and the other includes my account info. Under my travel details, you have frequent flyer and membership, personal info, flight preferences, passport, TSA info. And of course, under my account info, you have email and password, payment methods, email preferences, my deal alert, trips for more, and connected accounts. Under my account info, click email and password, and that's going to walk you into this page where you have email, retype email, current password, new password, retype password. Scroll the way down, you're going to find delete account option. Now go ahead and click on delete account. Once you click on delete account, it's going to provide you with a prompt that's going to show you everything that is going to be at stake if you delete your account. So all the things they're going to be excluding. And if you really want to be excluding, just go ahead and click on confirm deletion to just confirm that you really want to delete. And once you're done confirming the deletion, everything in your data will be removed. So review your decision again to be sure that you really want to delete your account. And once that is all made up, go ahead, come over here, following the processes, and delete your account. And that's it. So just go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you begin to go open this tutorial marvelously. Help to search.